trying to send your funds on the Yoroi wallet, but the transaction won't go through without the spending password? There is a way to reset it using the 15-word recovery seed phrase. First, you'll need to go to the menu options, find Settings, and remove the existing wallet from your device. Don't worry, your Cardano is safe. However, make sure you have the original seed phrase first. After removing the wallet, follow these steps. Restore the existing wallet. Choose the option 15-word recovery phrase. Enter the seed exactly as it was given during the wallet setup. Enter a wallet name you are comfortable using and set a new spending password. If the 15 words are missing, resetting or recovering the password is impossible, even with Yoroi itself or professional crypto recovery companies. You will still be able to view your balance, but you won't be able to send or transfer ADA. However, if your seed is invalid or you are missing some components, there is still a chance to recover the seed by manually verifying it against the BIP 39-word list or by turning to CryptoRecovers, where we can do it faster using password brute-forcing tools. Watch more about the Invalid Yoroi seed phrase error or fill out the form to learn your recovery chances on CryptoRecovers.com.